Starts at 15,000 per month. Rent-to-own condo in San Juan City, Manila. Tara, check natin to. Welcome to Mango Tree Residences, a 2-tower condo located at M. Paterno, Ledesma Corner, San Juan City, Manila. Standard quality finished. Inclusions are there's an upper and lower cabinets. There's already a sink and the countertop is already granite. May grease trap na din. Fully painted white and ceramic tiles. Complete bathroom fixtures. Smoke detector and fire sprinkler installed. May provisions for aircon, fridge, and washing machine. Lifetime ownership and pet friendly. Very ideal for personal use kasi very accessible ang location. Okay din ito for Airbnb and rental businesses kasi malapit lang ito sa mga schools and universities. 8 minutes drive away to Green Hills Shopping Mall and Robinson's Magnolia. We also have nearby hospitals. This is also nearby to LRT Gilmore and J Airways Station. For more details, message me now.